Hello to my colleague uh, who asks me about the future of pathology if AI tried to replace our location and we lose our job. Uh, I think about it and really I want to share my experience with you or anybody who think about this challenge. 40 years ago, when I was a resident in pathology, we must study almost every branch of internal medicine, surgical medicine, pediatric medicine, skin, anything you can imagine, okay? And then, more probably, some of you have the same experience. I work as a general practitioner, face to face, in emergency state or in surgical states with variable ages of patients with variable conditions. As a pathologist, we need to be alert about many things, about culture, about symptoms, about morphology, clinical history, past medical history, where the patient is coming from. For example, is he or she coming from Africa with malaria? And little by little, molecular pathology that we never study about it came into our books. We don't know nothing about it. But little by little, gradually, I try, as well as many of my colleagues, to learn it, to use it, to make a better final professional judgment and diagnosis. So, also I know AI is a more great techniques in comparison with molecular pathology, but be sure that instead of fearing of AI, be careful and try to accept it and use it and learn it, how to use it as a powerful assistant for your work. It is true for any new event that we cannot deny it, we cannot rule out it, we cannot omit it from our world. So I believe still that pathology is the mother of science. A pathologist is a talent, and it's better to use AI instead of fear of it. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope that we have correlate with each other at future.